Welcome to Chef Pachi and my new amazing video on legumes.
Today I'm going to show you how to gain energy and increase your metabolism as well as your endurance. We want to have energy to be able to reach our goals in life. We also want to be healthy, strong, and happy. And we love to look good and slim. Legumes or beans will be the food that help you every time you're in a spot. They are gonna come in and help your meal hold longer and keep your blood sugar in track. They are an amazing source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, and all natural. Great for unexpected needs. You can make them fresh or dry in a steam pressure cooker. I like how it cooks all the ingredients at once with the greatest flavor retention from each and every natural ingredient. Also, they cook without supervision while you do anything you want, so actually cooking time is your free time. You can also buy them in jars or cans. Buy the best ones and pass them through running water so we can add other delicious flavors to them. Combine legumes with your favorite grains and make them complementary proteins. Beans are also a great way to increase your metabolic rate, to reduce diabetes and many more metabolic syndromes by slowing down the digestion of carbs and not increasing your blood sugar quickly. Serve beans with plain yogurt, avocado, pico de gallo, and many more amazing recipes or ingredients that you're going to find on the YouTube channel. You can use them for wraps. We have over 9 recipes of cold salads for snacks or side dishes. They are all super simple to make. Almost none of them take more than 5 minutes, and you will love them. We have prepared these amazing array of recipes of how to cook the beans in one pot. So if you want to make your beans from scratch, you can. Freeze portions of half cups for ease of use and so that you can defrost them and keep them in small spaces. They can actually keep frozen for 6 months. We freeze them correctly by placing them into zipper bags, flattening them out, taking out all the air, and closing. Freeze them flat, and then you can stand them upright in the door of your freezer, and they take up almost no space. Always remember to name and date your bags. We have some Colombian red lentils, my homemade 1-minute refried beans, black beans, red beans, chickpeas, and other amazing delicious recipes. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please write and I will surely answer them. Send your ideas too. And remember to subscribe so you can see my new video every Monday.
With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets.